Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a password from a PowerPoint presentation. So if you've lost your password, this tutorial is not for you. However, if you want to share your PowerPoint without the need for other users to enter in a password, then today's tutorial is for you. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So since you have PowerPoint open, you've already inserted the password. Go ahead and select the File tab on the affected presentation and select Info on the left panel here. Where it says Protect Presentation, click on the drop-down and select where it says Encrypt with Password. Go ahead and select that. And now just leave it blank. So delete whatever's in here and just a blank blinking cursor in its place. And then select OK. And now the password has been removed from the presentation. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.